Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you how to make almond flour muffins. This is an extremely easy recipe, it's keto friendly and it has dark chocolate as well. Let's get started. Now it's very difficult to find a recipe, a dessert recipe for a keto friendly diet. This is a super simple, extremely easy to make and delicious muffin recipe. For our recipe we're going to need 3 medium eggs, 75 grams of Greek yogurt, a bit of vanilla paste, 75 grams of dark chocolate, this is 80%, 150 grams almond flour and about 100 grams of sweetener. I have stevia here. Let's get started. First step in our recipe, we are going to mix our eggs with the natural sweetener. It's entirely up to you which sweetener you have. The best one is which has the replacement 1:1 to sugar, so I chose the stevia sweetener. Okay, so in a bowl I have my eggs and my sugar and I'm going to mix it about 3 minutes until the mixture is fluffy and lightened in color. So this is our mixture now. So this is our mixture, it's tripled in size, it's very fluffy and it's lightened in color. Now I'm going to add just a bit of vanilla paste. I have the vanilla bean paste which is very strong and I'm very happy with it. I'm going to add as well here now our 75 grams, about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And I'm going to give it a quick mix. So our wet mixture is ready. I'm going to add here the almond flour. To mix it well together. Okay. And I'm adding the chocolates as well. I'll link to the almond flour and the chocolate in the description below, so you can find it online. You can substitute the chocolate with raspberries, it's going to be even better because it has this very sour taste to it and it's going to balance it out, the sugar a bit, just a bit. Okay, so our mixture is done. We are going to transfer now to our muffin molds, which I have them just ready here. I have the silicone ones. With a spoon I'm just going to put my mixture right here. So about 3 spoons, like 3/4 of the muffin mold. So these are our muffins. I'm going to put them in an oven about 30 minutes at about 180 degrees Celsius. My oven is already preheated, so I'm going to put right now for 30 minutes 180 degrees. Let's go! After 30 minutes in the oven, I removed them and I left to cool down about 20 to half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour. And as you can see, I have perfect cupcakes, and if I'm going to open, it's moist inside because of the yogurt. It has this chocolate, which is dark chocolate. It's super bitter, super good, super delicious as well. The almonds and the eggs. It's the perfect dessert for a keto-friendly diet. This was my recipe of keto-friendly dessert, and these are amazing almond flour muffins with dark chocolate. Super simple to make. It's just a few ingredients in the oven and they are delicious. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday super healthy recipes and interesting recipes as well. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.